Hello internet friends, in this video I am going to be bending the float wire. I'm sure that's the technical name of this component because I'm not looking at the plans right now. But this is basically what floats in the tank connected to the fuel sender device that tells the EFIS how much fuel is actually in the tank. So in the plans, there's some bends that you can, it tells you where to make them in this wire. It comes as a straight wire. And I did not have a wire bender, so my bends are probably very crude. I think in the next sender, I will actually buy a bending device. So I can make better bends. It's also a bit annoying because you have to have, well, at least the plans call for a 1/16 of an inch tolerance. So at the bottom, the float should be 16th of an inch above and a 1/16 of an inch below the top of the tank. So some adjustment is required when you put this into the tank. Again, I think I will buy a bending device to help with the next one because I was just very crudely using a crescent wrench. Let's see, I haven't made much progress in the past couple weeks. Been traveling for work and family, and the challenge of doing a tank is you need at least 3 uninterrupted hours to basically do one rib. So you're going to mix some sealant, and then that takes a while to prep, and then installing the rib with the sealant takes about an hour, and then there's, cleanup takes about an hour. So really you need to budget about 3 hours per rib, I think, or per session at least. You could probably do additional ribs, and then that would save you time because you wouldn't have the prep and the cleanup, but it's going to take some time. Okay, also I apologize for the camera angle. It would have been better if I showed what was going on inside of the tank. It's not very amusing because I'm just trying to adjust it to meet the tolerances specified in the plans so it doesn't hit the top or the bottom of the skin. Hopefully this weekend I'll be able to get the back rear baffle on, and then I will have a completed tank and I'll be able to start a new tank. Although I am kind of torn on whether I fill the tank with water or if I just do the air testing method that's specified in the plans. Air is probably just as fine as water because it's theoretically smaller molecules, so it should be a good indication of a good seal if the little balloon stays. Well, I'll describe the process. So basically you put a air pump on one side and put a balloon on the outlet, and then you pump some air in, not trying to pressurize the tank, just putting air in, and as the air expands then it comes out of the balloon, and then you put a rubber band on the balloon and try to trap the air inside, and you wait for a couple days and say if the balloon stays inflated, and if it stays inflated then you have a properly sealed tank. Now fixing that tank is another story if you don't succeed. So anyway, if you have tried the balloon method, come join our Slack group. Just scan the QR code and you will get the invite. And if you really want to try Discord, you could do that too. No one's there because everyone's on Slack. So we will see you there and in the next video.